Reimagine your home, room by room, day 14. These are some of my favorite dusting tips. If you have tall ceilings or tall fans and notice dust collecting in places like the corners, I found this 20 to 30 foot duster that has 3 attachments to clean all kinds of different messes. First, I tested it out on my ceiling to remove these horrible cobwebs and dust. Then I grabbed the microfiber top that adjusts and locks in dirt and debris to clean my ceiling fans that are impossible to reach without a ladder. Now I can do it much safer. If you're like me and have knickknacks or other small home decor items around your house, then you know it can be hard to dust in every crack and crevice of this unusually shaped item. Grab a pair of microfiber gloves and you can use them to dust any item. Get into each space with no extra problems. Another option is to use a paintbrush. You can use it to get dust out of tiny crevices or cracks between furniture. This is perfect for any of your small spaces. Stop dusting your lampshades. You are only pushing dust and dirt around. Instead, grab a lint roller and roll it across your lampshades. It will remove and pick up any dust and dirt. Follow for day 15 of our room by room challenge. Products linked in my Amazon shop in bio.